We will guide you through how to make AutoCAD file read-only. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by locating the DWG file that you want to make read-only. Make sure you have selected the correct drawing before continuing. Before changing any settings, make sure the selected file is a DWG file. Right-click the DWG file to open the File Options menu. Then select Properties to open the Properties window for the drawing. In the General tab, locate the Attributes section near the bottom of the window. Click the Read-Only checkbox to enable the read-only setting for the AutoCAD drawing file. After selecting the checkbox, click Apply to save the new file attribute. Next, click OK to close the Properties window and return to the folder. Open the read-only DWG file in AutoCAD to confirm that the drawing can still be opened and viewed normally. You should notice that the file is protected from accidental changes while still allowing you to review, inspect, or print the drawing whenever necessary. If you later decide to edit the original drawing again, first close the file in AutoCAD. Right-click the same DWG file once more and select Properties to modify its settings. In the General tab, remove the check mark from the Read-Only checkbox to restore normal editing access. Click Apply to save the updated setting. Then click OK to close the Properties window. Open the drawing in AutoCAD again and verify that you can now make changes without any restrictions. After completing the required edits, save the drawing normally, so your latest modifications are stored correctly. Save the updated drawing whenever necessary to keep your latest revisions organized, safely backed up, and available for future editing and sharing.